Welcome back to another video. Then in this video is just going to be short because we're just going to cover one thing in this video, and that's the button. So thank you for always keeping up with us, watching all our videos. Please like and subscribe so that we shall get more views, and it will also benefit all of you as we keep on researching for you more videos, as we recommend for you, as we do it for you, because what we do is to help you. Okay, so remember, in the previous video we had covered a lot. We had covered, let's clear out what we had covered. We thought we were just going to cover form, but in form here we had the input options and the labels and so on. Then we had also seen the text area. In the text area we had covered it. Then the select, whereby in select there is something called options. Then today, as we end the HTML tags, the few that we're going to cover, we're going to end buttons with buttons. So let's dive into buttons as we finish buttons. Get. So what we do is we come back to, remember what I told you the other time, HTML, wordplay, button. That's all you have to type. Then let me show for you the preview of how it is going to appear in the buttons area. Let me show for you what it is going to be like. So you see that dot there, that's the button. Then let me show for you in the buttons. If you just type anything, let me say click me, that's all you have to do. Then when you see it, the button adjusts with the size and the length of the words that it is there. So once you say that's click me, it is just going to bring click me. That's all for buttons. There's nothing much for buttons. And then you remember you can now link the button once you press it. You can link the button, remember, with the anchor tags, the href. Let's say we'll just link it to Google, https google.com. Then just put it here. Then once you refresh it, that's all. So once you click that button, you are just going to be direct in the video. So that's all we have for you in buttons. Thanks for watching with us. Please like and subscribe as we continue and we explore more in HTML, and then later on I'll be going into CSS. So thanks for watching. That's all we have for you today.